too hard. We will be testing out the SGILE rock climber.
In this video, we'll also be testing it out later on our own special made course.
In the box, it comes with 4-wheel drive, 2.5 GHz control. It's geared to be a crawler. It's got good shock absorbers, and it's dual motored, and it's got rubber tyres. Right, let's open it up. Alright, just.
Yeah, we can cut.
Yeah, Oliver can. Right, where it zooms on, and then.
Yeah, let's just set this out.
So, in the box.
Done. We're not done.
Okay, right, okay, you need to do it in order of importance, trees. Okay, so in the box you get the car, the radio with adjustable right hand or left hand steering, with 2 batteries, the USB charger, and the instructions. Okay, so firstly, you take the screw out, which is here, and then you remove the battery casing, and you plug the car in. Then you put the battery in, and you put the casing back on, and then that is.
This is the transmitter, which can be adjusted for right hand or left hand purposes. This is if you squeeze the trigger, this goes forward and this goes backwards. Buttons include auto demo, which goes randomly around, and this stops auto demo. Also, this is the on off button, and if you see it flashing, it means it is looking for the car, and if it is not flashing, it means it has found the car, as demonstrated.
We know it's going to be a crawler as there is forward and reverse without there being any double tapping to go into reverse. It comes with 4 shock absorbers with mass suspension for maximum crawling.
Now we have reviewed the components of the car, we are now going to test them out on our track.
Okay, so this is the start of the course, where you immediately go underneath a bridge full of mud, and this is a tight corner, onto the rock hill. And then you do like a U-turn onto the pit of shards, which is followed on straight after by the pit of mystery with lots of mystery items in there. Then you will go straight back under the bridge, with, again, where we started. And you go round the roundabout with a few suspension tests. Then round here. And you go through the sewer pit. Then you do another tight turn into the last bridge straight, over the bridge. Then you finish off with the sponsored by Domino's, where we're not really sponsored by Domino's. That is the course.
Okay,
Right,
so this is a brief overview of the course. It's how big it looks compared to the car, anyway. Up there. And we will be testing its movability around the course.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go under the bridge. Time. He's on his one redo. We're going to go over rock climb hill. 4-wheel drive now. Oh, we got you quick for this. It's all part of it. You and Ru, you only get 1 retry. Here I'm going around, learning this how to take the wildest turn. You have to go over. Go into mystery hole, whatever it's called, and back through the bridge. Oh, he's on 2 wheels. Oh, and he makes. Oh my god. He makes. He's going around and round. That'll take you. I don't actually. Quite cool roundabout. How does he get his doing a cruise mod? Might need a nudge here. Oh, he's made it! And over the bridge. 4-wheel actions working in action. And he's going. Oh no, you have to go over the ramp. And over the ramp.
And it is time!
56.7. Feel about this performance on the track today?
Not great. I made some minor mistakes, but at least I got through the muddy puddle, which is
That's always a plus.
That's always a plus. And
Thank you. We will get back to you later.
3, 2, 1, go!
So, also make say clean start, and he's got stuff already on top of the watch, and he's tipped it as well. out.
Are you gonna tip it over? He's taking the tip.
Taking the tip over. He's gone for a really wide one. As well, has to get over the guard. Quickly gets through both of those tips. Now it's on 2 wheels as well. Slowly making it under the sun for the second time. He's got stuck. He's got stuck underneath. That can cost him some time. Round the roundabout. Over. Oh, he skipped an obstacle. Not really. You only skip the shot. And he's gonna make it. No, he's got stuck there as well. He's gonna fall out going to the shard and get stuck yet again. This is gonna cost Oscar a lot of time. Can't get back out. There he goes. Over the bridge for the second time. Coming over now. And over the jump. And finish. That is a 1 minute 10.
Sounds awful.
5. Oscar, how do you feel about the run?
Not good. I mean, I thought I could beat you, but it's just I got stuck in the muddy puddle and a lot of axle issues and not enough turning for the ramp.
Okay, so we're going to do a race to see how fast the crawler goes compared to the HGI jump shot. On this simple strip of racing track.
3, 2, 1, go!
The wheels have literally turned brown. It's coming back. Oliver's rigged the water gun so it can just continually go. Oh my god.